Hello! In front of me I have Amazfit GTS 4 Mini, and I'm gonna show you how to change the vibration intensity on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, press the side button again to open the menu. Now, you can scroll through the menu by swiping up and down on the screen. Next, find the settings icon and tap on it to enter the settings. And here, scroll down, find the option called vibration and tap on it to enter. And right here we have vibration intensity. Tap on it, and as you can see we have two types, standard and enhanced. You can tap on them to basically preview them. Select the one you like, and then you can press the side button to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the vibration intensity on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.